Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Should you thaw frozen potatoes before cooking? Should I defrost them first before refrying? It's okay to keep the potatoes frozen, or you can let them thaw until they are still chilled. Place them on an oiled, flat-top grill or skillet that's heated to 350 degrees F. How long does it take to thaw hash browns? In the fridge, make sure they thaw for at least 8 hours. Dab them dry before placing in your recipe. If you know you will make a hash brown casserole the next day, defrost your hash browns overnight in the fridge. Shaw. 18, 1439 Ah. Why are my hash browns soggy? The water will become cloudy as some of the starch is released from the potatoes. Drain the potatoes and rinse under cool water for 2 minutes, stirring and moving the potatoes around with your hand as they're rinsing. How do you fix soggy hash browns? Let the potatoes sit in the water for at least 15 minutes, for best results overnight. The water will remove all the excess starch from the potatoes and will solve any graying issues and will give you crispier potatoes as well. Shaw. 22, 1436 Ah. How long do potatoes take to defrost? If you need to prepare whole potatoes from frozen, you may need to thaw it prior to preparing it. You can do this by baking it in the oven for about 30 minutes, or by using your microwave's defrost cycle.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.